Kusenjalo, namhlanje enkantolo yemantshi yaseMlopo, umphenyi eceleni lokubulawa kwabantu abathathu baseKabe ubesebhokisini lofakazi, ephekwa ngemibuzo. Kuvele ukuthi incwadi yayiyalela ukuthi kuboshwe abasolwa yayingacikiciwe, kodwa yayinaso isixivizo.
The issue of the warrant of arrest, came during cross-examination. Now, it is stated that the warrants are not signed, but the dates are written.
Ummeli womsolwa wesibili, owesithathu nowesihlanu ubuze ukuthi yingani umbuso uthathe isikhathi eside kangaka ukubopha abasolwa ekubeni wawusunobufakazi obuqanda ikhanda ngo-2019.
I only took over the matter this year in March. So I cannot answer for them as to why they did not arrest the said suspects in 2019, Your Worship.
Umphenyi utshele inkantolo ukuthi abasolwa akumele bethole ibheyili ngoba bengabulala ofakazi nokuyinto abazobe bengaqali ukuyenza. Kodwa ke ummeli wabasolwa uyakuphikisa lokho.
There's no evidence that if accused person is released, he will tamper with any state witnesses.
Icala lizoqhubeka kusasa nokuyilapho kulindeleke ukuthi kuqhubeke ukulalela kwesicelo sebheyili.